I've been getting ChatGPT to write my Facebook ads, and now they're performing better than ever. I recently found new prompts that can allow ChatGPT to write my Facebook ads, and my team is getting a 10-to-1 return on our Facebook ads now. So every $1,000 that we're investing in these ads, we're now getting $10,000 in commission. So if you're a real estate agent who wants to learn how to get ChatGPT to write your Facebook ads, well, you're going to want to dive in because I'm going to show you every step of the way on how to do this effectively. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group, and I've been going down the rabbit hole of artificial intelligence and have found so many useful cases for it in my real estate business. The new one that I recently been using is having ChatGPT write my Facebook ads for me, and we're getting such good performance on them. It's a 10-to-1 return. So every $1,000 I'm investing in Facebook ads, my team's making $10,000 in commission. I'm gonna be showing you the exact prompt that I've been using to generate those ads. But if you're someone that wants to learn how I use AI to make the images and all the rest of the process for using artificial intelligence to make my Facebook ads, well, I have a course where I go over it step by step and in detail. So if you want to learn exactly how to get that 10-to-1 return on your Facebook ads using AI to generate them, well, go in the description and sign up for my course. It breaks it down every step of the way so you can implement it. Exactly after you take that course, you'll be making tons of commission from Facebook ads. So now we're on the ChatGPT web face here, where my real estate business tab that I've created, that I've trained it to understand my business. It knows exactly my customers and my target audience. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to train ChatGPT in order to help you achieve your goals, that's inside my AI course as well. And it gives you a full entire breakdown how we've been using artificial intelligence to increase our sales while everyone else in my market, their sales are going down because the market's so soft. Our sales are going up because of AI. So if you want to learn how to do that and have ChatGPT help you achieve your real estate goals, we'll go to the description and sign up for my course. So now let's give it and prompt it correctly. So I've designed this prompt here where it spits out my Facebook ads instantly here. So let's time it. I'm doing this in real time. I put in the prompt, exactly what we're targeting. So this one was going to be for big white ski resort property. So if you're like every other real estate agent in the winter months, it can be very, very slow. So there's a ski resort town pretty close by to my market. So I wanted to make some Facebook ads and have them ready for ski season. But typically this used to take me weeks to months on having to write the ad copy, having to test stuff, and then having to find the right images in order to start marketing in this place. I was able to design 3 ads in less than an hour using ChatGPT and then AI photo generating, and then using Midjourney to generate all the photos. I had the 3 ads created in less than an hour, and my team was already marketing them before the ski season. Now we have a ton of leads built up. We're already showing them properties up there a week later, and we're pretty much a month ahead of where I would be if I was doing this on my own. That is the same return on your efficiency. And that's exactly what artificial intelligence is here to do. It's to make you more efficient and make your stuff better. So let's dive into it. So it lays it out exactly. We did this in real time. You see how quick this happened. So we're targeting big white properties, winter sports enthusiasts, luxury property investors, family vacation home seekers. And it tells you exactly what to make the ad groups, what the campaign's going to be, what the headlines are going to be, the descriptions, all the ad copy there. Family retreat, create lasting memories in a luxury home, experience unparalleled family getaways. That's what a lot of people that go up to the ski resort is, for those family getaways. So you can create those memories. Like, how good is that going to call out specifically to the target audience I'm marketing towards? I'm sure everyone watching this video that goes to those ski resorts knows exactly what I'm talking about. I would never think of coming up with those different types of ad copy or putting in it. I would have probably just said big white homes for sale or something of that nature. But I'm really playing on the main points of marketing, because in this prompt, I use the Cialdini principle for authority and the Cialdini principle for sympathy and the Cialdini principle for marketing on how to influence people. So I trained it right into that for that prompt. So if you want this prompt in order to create your Facebook ads in less than a minute, you're going to have to sign up for my course, because I have it all there in detail, and you're just going to be able to copy and paste this and use it for whatever you're going to be targeting. So perfect. Now that we got our ad and everything's ready to go, let's build off it and make it a step further on how to make your Facebook ads effective. So now let's give it another prompt. I want to create follow-up campaigns and different emails for people that sign up on these ads to make them engage with it, all around ski out properties in big white. So here's where people make the mistake of doing all this, is they'll make stuff just to follow up with them. I want our content to engage, so people are responding back to me. They recognize what I'm wanting to do. So now that we've got our ad ad completely done. I want this to create me a action plan. So follow-up campaigns on playing into that. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create me 5 different emails I can send to people who sign up for the ads to get them engaged with me and make it around ski and ski out properties in Big Right and write it in text and include subject lines. So now that I've finished my ads, I want to design 5 different emails that are going to follow up with these people that I can send out to get in touch with them. Where a lot of people make the mistake is they want to follow up with leads, where we want to engage them and have them actually interact with us so they think we're the go-to person for real estate in Big White. We're not following up, we're trying to engage with people. So that's a psychology hack. We're now using AI to write all that stuff. I'm able to engage with my leads and get people to respond to my emails instead of them just ignoring them. Right here, it writes me 5 different emails. Welcome to the dream ski and ski out adventure. Hello, thank you for your interest in breathtaking ski and ski out properties in Big White. As an expert in these luxury mountain retreats, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way, finding the perfect winter way. Stay tuned for exclusive properties showcasing insider tips and much more. Best regards. And now it builds off that. Feature property experience luxury in Big White. Explore our feature property of the week in Big White. Imagine moving to the views and pristine slopes right out your doorstep. This property offers blank. And now I just plug in a really nice property that I want to show people that's for sale right now for them to reach out to potentially view it. Like this just builds off of it amazingly. And then it just keeps going and really gets people to engage and interact with you. But let's now take it a step further, because I know a lot of people in our action plans in those 10 days, we call them 6 times. We'll send them 5 to 6 emails, but then we'll also send them 3 texts. So now I'm going to get ChatGPT to and design my whole entire text messages that I'm going to send to these people as well. So now let's take it a step further. I'm going to want my action plans. I'm going to send them 3 texts. So typically we give them 6 calls, 5 to 6 emails in those 10 days, and we'll send them 3 texts. So now I'm going to get ChatGPT to design all those text messages as well. Like, look at this text message here. Thanks for your interest in Big White ski and ski out properties. I'm Russell Mortlock, your guide to finding the perfect snowy retreat. What's your dream ski home like? So you're getting that engagement. We're getting people to reach out to us, respond back so we can start communicating. And that's just the amazing potential of this. I'm able to make the ad, design the image using AI, create all the follow-up emails, create the follow-up text messages in a matter of minutes. And I have all this done. Where that used to take me months in order to complete. It used to just take me months to find the images, research everything that I was going to think would be good for 3 ads. I already have 3 ads created in the matter of an hour, all uploaded and running, so that our team was able to crush it right out of the gates before the ski season happened. Imagine being able to take this to a developer where you're trying to get their property, where you're trying to sell their massive development, and everyone's, oh, I got to design all this marketing game plan, I got to do all this. When really in an hour's time, you can come to them with a Facebook ad campaign, how you're going to follow up with leads, the text messages you're going to send to all these leads, custom and tailored to the project they're sending. And you have that prepared the first time you meet them. How blown away are they going to be? Every other person that's in this industry is going to be like, oh, I need a month to prepare. I need 2 weeks to prepare in order to give you our marketing game plan specific to what you're trying to do and achieve. Where I already have it done and I'm already earning that business because I came so prepared and I had this stuff done. And really it took me little to no time from using AI. So if you want to learn exactly how we're doing that, you got to go in the description. You're going to have to take my AI course for real estate agents. It's game changer. It is literally going to make you so efficient and set you apart from every other agent that's out there.